Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Toyota Prius key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the old battery. Pay attention to how the battery is oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Be gentle to avoid bending any of the metal contacts inside the fob. Now take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one was. Press it down firmly until it clicks into place. Double-check that it's seated correctly and not loose. Then, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear them snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure it's fully closed. Now, head to your Toyota Prius and test all the functions of your key fob, like locking, unlocking, and the panic button. It should work perfectly. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.